Hi guys, it's Yongxin Hu. Welcome to the second week of 28 Days Eat with Who's Kitchen video series. In this week, things gonna be a little bit different. We are going to have 7 different themes. Each day we'll have a different theme. For example, on Monday, we are going to have an Italian-inspired theme. So for your breakfast, lunch, and dinner, all the meals will be inspired by Italian cuisine. Do you want to know what other themes we're going to have? Make sure you subscribe to my channel and tap the notification bell, so when my video will be ready, you will be the first person to know. I'm super excited. I will see you guys next week. Bye.